Tom Petty, one of my favorite songwriters of all time. That's his song, Wildflowers. We're going to break it down right now. And this song actually is a pretty easy one. The chords move together in such a way that you don't have to move a whole lot except for the little bridge part. So let's start out. We're on the 5th fret, so that's ground 0 right here. And I'm going to run through just the bones of the song first. It's an F chord, so which is 3, 2, 1 from the D string, D, 3, G2, B1. And then we're going to put our pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. That's the chord Tom uses. Now there's multiple guitars on this, so you get a lot of different voicings. This is the best way I've found to do it. And we're going to be, I'm going to get to this later, but we're going to use a little hammer on this thing. So it's like a, I'll get to that in a minute. So let me just give you the basic chords. So it's F, and then a C with a G in it. We keep that G going throughout. So all you got to do is go hit the F and then move it right up to the C and then G and C. And that's mainly the chords of the song. Now, keep in mind the verse and the chorus have a slightly different changes in them, and I'm going to show you that right now. So here's how the verse feels. And by the way, the strum is up there. Down, yeah. You just make it swing, right? So you're just going from F to C to G. Is slightly different. What the chorus does, it goes F, you belong, C to G, which is the same as the verse so far. Then F, C, and then hang out at the G. F to C, repeat. C, G, C, and then it goes back to the C from the G. G, C. So you can play along with it and get it. So once again, here's the chorus. You belong, wildflowers. You belong. Just hit the G. Again, F, C, G, C, F. You belong where you feel free. Okay, now you have the verse and the chorus. You with me so far? Cool. Now we're going to go to the little bridge part, which is so cool. And I'm going to take it real slow for you. So the lick goes from the F that we already know, and it does a little. Okay, let me show you what that is. So you're going from the 3rd fret of the G string, and you walk down a half a step. You grab that. Now A minor. And then we'll do a D with an F sharp in the bass. Right there, you got that, 2nd fret. And a G. So slow motion, it's going to be A minor, D with a 2nd fret on the low E string, to the G. Second time it goes to the F. So it goes, the whole thing sounds. One more time. Slow. There's your A minor, there's your D to G. And then F. Hang it out. Once again, here's how it sounds in time. that. A minor, D with the F sharp, and G. And then A minor. And that is Wildflowers. So now let's play it from top to bottom and see if it all works together. And here we go. So you get that thing swinging, right? Get that nice and loose. So now let's go into the verse. So. F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C. Now we'll go to a chorus. F, C, G, C, along C, hang at the G. F, C, F, and C, G, C. Take it to the bridge. And then one more time. And that, my friends, is the genius of Tom Petty. Now, before I leave you though, you probably wonder about those little hammer-ons, right? So when you start out, what it does is it picks up a little on the melody of the singing. So the best way to practice that is just to practice doing the second finger on the second fret of the G. And then the second fret on the D string. So if you're within the chord structure, there's your F chord, and then hammer on. And do it real slow. Now that's the first fret on the bass string. Index finger, because you see it's free. Because the nature of this chord, you got the pinky playing that. So your first finger is free to pick up that first fret on the B. And feel free to have fun with it, but you'll notice I'm changing it up a little. What's important that this swings. Follows the vocals. You belong among the flowers. You belong to ship out to sea. Sail away while in the hours. You belong. You feel free. Thank you, Tom Petty, for your genius and your incredible, soulful writing. We'll see you down the road on Jimmy Dillon. Hit me up at jimmydillon.com, and I'm taking any requests. Love to see your comments, and we'll see you down the road.